Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make cartoon characters using Adobe Cartoon Animator. Yeah, let's get into this, guys. You can use these in your animation videos if you want to do. It's quite a cool app, so without further ado, let's get into this, guys. I've opened up Adobe Character Animator and I've given my project a name called Epic Football. You choose one of these, so I'm going to choose a football one, let it open. As you can see, there's a football head, and if you look over here, it's actually, the camera is actually watching what I do. So if I lean over this way, it's doing exactly. If I blink my eyes, start talking, if I shut up, yeah. Don't know why it's leaning. I think the camera must be leaning a little bit, guys. Trying to sit up straight. But what we're going to do, guys, we're going to add some background. I mean, if we press record like this, so if you look down the side here, guys, make it a little bit bigger. You can see the different keys to do different like things. So if I do like G, okay, he moves his hand, F, and then yeah, and that, yeah. Do Z, smiles and waves, yeah, and I'm gonna give horn. I'll give it a Y, yeah. Yeah, so now if we give it a Y, gives it a horn. Press Z, gives us wave. So what you do, guys? Yeah, put it back on in a minute. You always want to make sure it's at the beginning. You see, yes, I'm at the beginning. I'm gonna make a little video, guys. Hit the record. Hello, I am Jay, the football head. Can I give a wave? Can I have a ooh, ooh, ooh. I am a football head. And this is all you do, guys. Just move around, give it a horn, maybe give it something else, have a wave, a horn. That is it, guys. Yeah. If you want to play it back, you bring the bar back to the timeline, give it a play. Hello, I am Jay, the football head. Can I give a wave? Can I have a and you get what I mean, guys. So yeah, so it puts all that. You can edit these, you can stretch it out a bit, you can delete them if you don't want some. You can mess around with all this, the eye gaze and that, but I keep it on default, guys. It's quite good. But what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of that background, don't we? So if you come up to File, and then go to Import, and I've downloaded some already, so I'm going to click on this one with a team on it, guys. Then what you do, you grab the scene. Oh, grab this. 1 minute. You want to. Yeah, what I do, guys, I drag you get the image you've just you've just imported, and I drag it below the actual bar. Yeah. So the bar is the football head guy. Yeah. And there you go, guys. So there you play it. I mean, what do you think, guys? Like it? Let's play it one more time. Hello, I am Jay, the football head. Can I give a wave? Can I have a that is it, guys. So that is it, guys. So what do you think, guys? A good idea for these guys, if you're going to use them on your YouTube channel, you can also contact like local businesses. Yeah, that one you could, I don't know, send it to some football teams, send it to some like local ones, send some big national teams, and you can like do the voiceover and do the like the slogans and that, yeah, and then charge them for it, yeah. You can do the other characters on that animator creator and read out their slogans, contact different businesses and that, guys. You can make business videos. You can put different backgrounds. You can stretch the background so it fits the full page. You can add different scenes. There's a lot you can do in this, yeah. So if you're thinking about starting an animation channel, this is a great app to have, guys. Yeah. Adobe Character Creator, yeah, it's brilliant. Well, I'm enjoying it so far, guys. So if you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up and comment below if you've used it before or if you think it's a cool app. And yeah, if you've not done so already, guys, please give me a subscribe and help the channel grow. Till next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts. I'm the Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire, hoping to help you to build your empire.